students, good morning. Today I am going to teach one of the basic and interesting topic in the mathematics. Okay, so listen student, before going to the lesson, I will give introduction about the lesson. Means I will tell you a small story for you. Small story for you. So Revati and Raju both are very close friends and also clever. Okay, so both are studying at class third. Both are studying at class third. Okay. See, these two students are studying well. Okay. So one day Revati, she wants to buy stickers, animal stickers. You know the stickers. Okay. Then she called to Raju. Raju, I want to buy animal stickers. Please come with me. Please come with me. Then Raju, okay, Revati, I will come. So then Raju came. After that, both of them go to shop and Revati asked to shopkeeper, sir, please give me animal sticker for me. Then shopkeeper told, okay, I will give. Then Revati asked to shopkeeper again, sir, in each packet, how many stickers are there? Then shopkeeper told, in each packet, there are 30 stickers. In each packet, there are 30 stickers. How many packets? How many stickers are there in each packet? 30 stickers. 30 stickers in each packet. In each packet, 30 stickers are there. Okay. Then Revati, she wants to buy 5 sticker packets. How many packets? 5 packets. 5 packets. Then she told to Raju, totally how many stickers for 5 packets? Then Raju told, totally 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30, 5 times add 30 we get 150. We don't like that. Totally 150 packets are 150 stickers. 150 stickers are there in 5 packets. Okay. Then Revati, wow Raju, you are doing very fast. Okay. You are doing addition very fast. Then Raju told, no Revati, I am not doing addition here. I am doing the third fundamental operation, that is multiplication. That is multiplication. Multiplication. Then Revati asked Raju, oh Raju, how it is do? How it is do the multiplication? I don't know that. Tell me please. Then Raju told, see here, Revati, how many sticker packets you want? 5 sticker packets. Okay, 5 sticker packets. And in each packet, how many stickers are there? 30 stickers. 30 stickers. So we can multiply these two. We get 150. 150. Okay. So multiplied to B is called multiplicand. Are you understand? Are you understand what I am telling? Okay, so that is our lesson multiplication. So this is the small story by of Raju and Revati. Are you understand? Are you understand? So then Raju and Revati. So then they taken 5 packets of stickers, animal stickers. Are you understand, student? So now the lesson multiplication. It is the third fundamental operation, third basic fundamental operation. So in the previous classes you learned this multiplication, how to do, and also we are written multiplication table, 2 ones are, 3 ones are, 4 ones are. These are all we have learned. Is it right? Yes. So now observe here. So the number is to be multiplied. The number is to be multiplied is multiplicand. So this is as called multiplicand. 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 Okay. So multiplicand multiplied by a number that is called multiplier. What we call multiplier. Multiplier. Okay, so we get the result. That result we call product. Product. Are you understand, student? So multiplicand multiplied by multiplier, we get product. We get product. Are you understand? See, I will do again here. Observe. So you learn 2 ones are table, multiplication table also. Here observe 2. How many times is there here 2? 1 time. So 2 into 1 time equals 2. 2 into 1 time equals 2. Okay. See next. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Here 2. How many times is there? How many times is there? 2. How many times is there? 1 time, 2 times. 2 times. We get 2 plus 2. How much? 4. Are you understand? So then next. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here 2. How many times is there? 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 times is there. What is the sum of these 3? 6. So now 2 3s are 6. Okay. So then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here 2. How many times is there? How many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. How many times? 4 times. We get 2 4s are 8. See, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Are you understand? So then next 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. See 2. How many times is there 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times. What is the sum? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Then what is the 2 5s are? 10. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 how many times is there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times is there. 6 times. Okay. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. So then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times 6 times we get 12. For 7 times means 1 times add 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, so then next 2 plus 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 2. How many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times is there. 2 how many times is there? 8 times. 8 times means 16. 2 8s are 16. Are you understand? Then 2 plus 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 2. How many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 9 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times is there. 2 9 times. 2 9 times means we should have 9 times 2, we get 18. Are you understand? Then 2 had 10 times. 2 had 10 times, we get 20. 2 had 10 times, we get 20. Okay, so in this like we can make it the multiplication table. Multiplication table. So in the second standard you learned the second, third, fourth and the fifth tables. 2 ones are table, 3 ones are table, 4 ones are table, 5 ones are table. Okay, so now in the third standard we make it 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th table. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th table. Okay, so how we want to make it? So now observe here, 6th ones are table. 6th ones are table. See, 6 how many times is there? 1 time. 6 1 time is there. So 6 ones. Okay, then 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. Here 6 how many times is there? 2 times. 6 2 times is there. Okay, 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, then 6 plus 6. Here 6 how many times is there? 3 times. 6 how many times is there? 3 times. 6 threes. See, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. That means 6 threes are 18. Okay, students. Then 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 how many times is there here? 6 how many times is there? 4 times. 4 times. We should add 6 3 times, we get 18. 4 times means 18 plus 4. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6. 24. 18 plus 6. 24. Okay. So then 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. See, 6 how many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times is there? 5 times. 6 5 times is equal to 6 5s. See, 6 4 times means 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 24 plus 6, 30. Means 6 5s, 30. We can read it as. Okay, students. So then after 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 how many times is there? 6 how many times? 6 times. 6 times is there. Okay. So from 5 times we get 30. For 6 times 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6, 36. 36. Okay. So then 7 times. 7 times we should add the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. 6, 7 times is there. That means 6 times means 36. So add 6 to 36. We get 42. That means 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Okay. So then 8 times. 6 plus 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 6. See how many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. 6, 8 times is there. 6, 7 times means 42 plus 6. You should add 6 to 42. We get 42 plus 6. 48. 42 plus 6 we get 48. Are you understand? Yes. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 6, 36, 36 plus 6, 42, 42 plus 6, 48. Okay, then 6, 9 times. 6, 9 times. 6, 9 times. We get. See 6 for 8 times is 48. 9 times is 1 time add 6 to 48. 48 plus 6. We get 50. How much? How much? 48. 48 plus 6. We get 54. 54. Okay. So then 6 10 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Plus 6. See how many times is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 10 times. We get. Add 60 to 54. We get 6 tens are 60. Okay. So the multiplication is also called repeating addition. Multiplication is also called repeating addition. Are you understand? So this is the 6 ones are table. So note on this table and practice yourself. Okay. So how to read it? How to read it as? See here. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. 6 10s are 60. Okay, this is the multiplication table of 6. Okay, students. So now let us discuss the multiplication table of 7. Multiplication table of 7. Observe that. Multiplication table of 7. See, 7. How many times is there? 1 time. That means 7 into 1 time equals 7. Are you understand? Then 7 plus 7. How many times is there 7? There are 2 times. There are 2 times. 7 into 2. So now add these two. 7 plus 7. We get 7 plus 7 equals 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Okay. So then 7 3 times. 7 plus How many times is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 7 into 3 times we get. See, 7 2 times means 14. 3 times means 1 time add 7 to the 14. See, 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 7. 14 plus 7 equals 21. 21. Okay, students. Is next 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. See how many times is there 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times is there. 7 into 4 times is equal to 28. 28. Add 7 4 times. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 7 21. 21 plus 7 28. Are you understood? Yes. Next 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times is there 7 here? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 5 times is there. Add 7 5 times. We get 7 plus 7 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus 35. 35. 7 5s are 35. Okay, students. Then 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7. 6 times 7. 7. How many times? 6 times is equal to how much? 35 plus 7. How much? 42. 42. Then we should add 7 times. We should add 7 times. Then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 7 times. We get 42 plus 7 equals 49. 49. Are you understand, student? Yes. Then 7 8 times plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. 7 how many times is there here? 8 times. Then we can add 7 times. We get 49 means 8 times means 49 plus 8. 49 plus 8. How much? 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. Then again 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus how many times you want to write? 9 times. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. 7 how many times is there here? 9 times. 9 times. Okay. So 7 has to add 8 times means we get 56. 9 times means 56 plus 7. Add 56 plus 7. We get 63. 7 nines are 63. Okay. Then 7 10 times. 7 plus 7. 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 See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 how many times is there? 10 times. We get 7. We should add 7 9 times. We get 63. Add 7 10 times. We get 63 plus 7 70. Okay. This is the multiplication table of 7. Okay. Read it as it is. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Okay students, so now write down this multiplication table. 7 ones are, 6 ones are both. Okay, write 10 times and practice yourself. Okay, so by heart yourself. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Like that by heart yourself. Okay students, so multiplication is the repeating addition. Multiplication is the repeating addition. Here observe, we got this 7 as multiplicand. 7 has multiplicand. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there, no? These are all called multiplier. These are all called multiplier. Then 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. These are all called product. What we are called? Product. So your multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. Multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. So this multiplication is the repeating addition. Multiplication is also called the repeating addition. I hope you are all understand. Okay students, it's a very easy method, fundamental operation, third operation. So practice yourself. Tables very important. Now from 2 to 7 practice yourself. 2 to 5 you learnt in the previous class. Which one? Second standard. 2 to 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, like that. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. Okay, 5 6 are 30. So like that you learned in the previous class second standard. So now in this class you want to learn from 6 to 12. 6 to 2, at least 6 to 10. Okay, so that practice, you must practice from 2 to 7 tables. Okay students, now thank you students.